alright.
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog and I'm Eileen. Itong video to, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung condition na nabili ko last April or second week of April. Actually, it was unexpected yung brand na nabili namin. Kasi yung nabili ko is Condura, which is gusto namin is Panasonic. Because I heard and mostly it has positive feedback. So, but pagdating namin dun sa appliances store, which is SM Appliances Store or Cherry, Condura lang yung naiwan na nandun. Condura lang yung nandoon talaga. Tsaka American Home yung brand. So we don't have a choice. So binili na lang namin yung Condura and the good thing is 1.5 horsepower yung nabili namin. Actually, yung plan talaga namin is 1 horsepower lang. But yun yung available na nandun. So, binili na lang namin kasi we've been to 2 appliances stores na they are out of stock na because mostly yung mga tao nagpa-panic buying na din sila nagbumili ng aircon and also electric fan. So pinili na lang namin yung nandun, yung naiwan. So but it's good because I'm very satisfied. We're all very satisfied. Sobrang lamig. Actually, yung isang room, nilagay namin yung aircon sa isang room na maliit lang. And so ginawa namin yung kabilang room, pinutasan namin at nilagyan ng exhaust fan para lumamig din yun sa kabilang room. Malaki naman siya, so it's 1.5 horsepower, so kayang-kaya niya. Pati rin dito sa baba, lumalamig din dito sa baba. So we're satisfied and as of now still working good, and it's a little bit noisy but it's okay, makatulog ka rin naman. Pero sabi nila, I was reading the reviews from Lazada and Shopee, they said maingay daw masyado yung Condura. Pero matibay naman siya. It has good quality. So, but as I've noticed, hindi naman masyadong maingay. Okay lang naman. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aircon na nabili namin.